Morning. I'll be damned.
Can you read it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know it.
I need to know.
3042.
Okay.
Huh.
So we hired them for an elevation certificate, and when they got out here, he had said that he did not realize how simple this job would be. So he had some extra time he wanted to fill, so he was going to just do check survey boundaries just as a favor. And so that's what all this is happening here. As it turns out, it looks like this line right here, this fencing was accurate. We were a little over on Jose's land because this road that we're walking right here, which is Provo, is actually all privately owned by all the landowners to the right of us as I'm walking here. So anyways, they were looking for the old survey markers that were from when the land was like 160 acres and it got divided up, and so I don't know. So as it turned out, our fence line here along the what must just be an access road because it doesn't show like it's owned to anybody, but it must be access to the telephone poles, etc., or whatever. But so this fence line was correct also according to the surveyor, so that was good news.
Oh, we took it out when they put that pole in, huh? That wasn't that long ago. There you go. The wire. Quite a ways off, isn't it? Those other pins sort of line up within a foot. Yeah, could be here. Let's see what we got. I'm just coming off one sheet here. There. Down a little further.
I can believe that. All that water comes down here. Probably brings all that dirt with it.
Yeah, could be.
Pretty big hunk of gold.
God, we can only hope so. Just keep a dreaming, right?
You know what? That might be a fence post, right?
Okay. So yeah, it does look like a T-post, yeah.
Oh,
Fence comes through here one time.
buried in there, huh?
Yeah.
Hmm.
watch that go a quarter mile down. We could get that quarter corner. Probably wouldn't hurt to go do it. Since I got time today.
Yeah.
If I go down to this road, I can cross and come down this road over here. Okay.
Yep.
I've got something over here I can go find, and then I can, you know a little bit more for you.
Yeah.
Though it's not a boundary survey, I'll help you out some with it.
That would be good.
Yeah, geez. Yeah, telling you. Good to know something for sure.
Only this thing's about up and down. It's not.
Yep.
Oh.
Exactly.
Yeah. Then we'll take a whole bunch of shots around there. And they're making it. I know that they're making it more difficult. We've been doing more of these lately for people. I hear, that your building's got to be so far off a property line, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's not stay in here.
Okay.
That's not where we want it. We want it over there.
Okay, got you. Well, what I'll do is go around, I take a whole bunch of elevations all over the property.
Okay.
And then they run it through the county, and then they determine how high up the finished floor is. You got to put it, So you're going to move the trailer over there?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, got you.
Where that cement slab is?
What's that?
Where that cement slab is at?
No.
Yeah.
It's,
Oh.
that
Right there
black
where the
pipe
septic
is, the
is?
sewer pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From there on this side.
Yeah.
See how that lines up with that fence on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, that big post?
Yeah, that's
Gotcha.
part of that original survey that went through here I was showing you. It went way down there.
Gotcha. So we are exactly at the elevation the surveyors tell us that the county said we were supposed to be at, which is fine for a standard foundation then for the house. So they marked this. Isn't that cute? Yeah, and then he said they'll probably have to come, the county will make them come back and after the house is set and check that elevation again. So, I don't know. It just doesn't make any sense to me. If the county already knew what the elevation was, I don't know why they made us pay $2,800 to get that survey done just to confirm what they already knew. So I really just don't get it, but I don't know. We're ready for our very first ever guest to our house. Even though we're not set, it's not done, it's half remodeled, but it's the first time anybody has ever seen it, so that's kind of exciting. So we had to clean the house a little bit. That looks super nice in there. Cleaned all this out. Living room, moved our big old board pile. Made sure we had these boards. Nobody's might trip, but we'll warn them. And we've now turned the bedroom into the bathroom and the tool room and the tool closet, which is super nice because this is not on carpet then, so it can be swept up and stuff. So yeah, so we're excited. Pretty soon, maybe about an hour or so, my mom and Esther, and my sister Jody. They's all coming to see us. So excited about that. Just watered all my cactuses out there. And yeah. So I'll show you when they get here. Jody!
You got the Esther too.
Jody's here! Yes?
Okay. Oh,
There!
my God.
Good Lord, I had to go rescue him from down around the corner. There they are, Esther. It's our first official visitors ever to our house. The only people first people who's ever seen our house. I know, look at my cactuses. Aren't they beautiful?
Good. Oh, yeah, chicken. That means eggs.
Yeah, really.
So when you come in here, kind of have your driveway.
Yeah.
So this will be your front door?
Well, our front door actually is officially on the other side, but we'll use this door as our entrance all the time. Yeah, into the kitchen. Makes sense, you know. Yeah. And this is the shade. It's always shaded on this side.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, what about when you move it then?
Same thing, so it's just going straight.
Oh, it's going to go straight.
Yep.
Oh.
I don't know. Flashing down there, though. It's doing something. Beep. Did you get it?
No.
Oh. A little windy. Oh! Oh, it's just hitting. Can you shut it off?
Thank you.
Oh, gotcha. Poor little thing. One of his legs got bent, so he's hitting the other. Oh. Digging up all these beautiful white rocks. There's a lot of them. Actually, this whole pile I dug through, there's quite a few of them in there. I'm putting them over there. Along the edge of the driveway. In my cactus garden. So, I don't know, by the time the rain gets to them, cleans them all off, they should be pretty nice.
Going to Mom's tomorrow. Esther's got visitors, so got to see Kathy and Deb, and I'm sure we'll play some dominoes. So hang tight, and I'll show you some more. Maybe I can get some more plants from them too. Ha ha!
Oh, who's got that? Well, he doesn't, but it's close. Taking your picture.
No, the nose has to go inside. There you go. This is that. Oh, that's my
Your turn.
domino. Oh, it's my turn.
didn't want to end this video without saying hi to my granddaughter, Malia. Hi, Malia. And Grandma and I are still waiting for our picture. You know that one picture?